biryani or Chinese? No, I'm not gonna tell you any recipes because today the topic is about acidity and indigestion. Because we always care for your tummy and we eat eventually many oily things, even junk foods and all, but we don't care about our stomach. So today I'm gonna share 5 yoga posture which will care your stomach, and it is very easy. Don't think about that those poses are advanced level, because it's all about beginners level, and I do always for beginners. So before wasting time, let's get started, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Useful tips. 1. Breathe normally and deeply in this particular yoga session, which is based on your stomach and digestive system. 2. Always take rest of 30 seconds between two asanas. 3. Savasana is mandatory at the end of the session. Please follow the video and do it your own. Paschimottanasana or the forward bend pose is an excellent yoga pose for the abdominal organs. This pose will not only help the organs to function properly and treat digestive problems, but will also regulate the menstrual cycle and reduce the tummy fat. Ardha Matsyendrasana is one of the best yogasanas for detoxification of the body. It will improve blood circulation, improve digestion, get rid of the toxins and reduce acidity. Doing Vajrasana immediately after your meal will help you to digest the food properly and prevent acidity. This asana will improve blood circulation in the intestine and stomach, improving the digestion process. And child pose also an extra advantage for stomach with Vajrasana. Supta Vajrasana is very much effective for acidity because it massages the abdominal organs, alleviating digestive elements and constipation. It tones the spinal nerves, makes the back flexible and rounded shoulders. The nerve in the neck, the thyroid and parathyroid glands are particularly stimulated. Katichalan is most efficient and natural cures for acidity. It is also one of the easiest and quickest way to not only overcome the effects of acid reflux but also help strengthen your digestive system. Apart from these asanas, many more asanas also very much effective for indigestion, like cat-cow pose, Bhujangasana and many more. Those are in my previous videos, so please check that and do yoga Spread yoga.